Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. And today we are in Southex Part 2, right behind the main market, and we are showcasing a 500 square yard floor. You can see the outer facade, it's right behind me. Really beautifully done up. Really nice color themes have been used all around on the outside and on the inside of this property. And out here you get 4 separate gates for all the different floors. So you have parking for like around 3 to 4 cars inside for each floor that you'll be getting. Let's go and see the one of the middle floors that we are showcasing today. So this is the lift lobby area of this floor. Actually, it's similar in all the floors. You have plenty of space out here. This is a staircase that's going up, and it's a common staircase that you get here in this 500 square yards, except for the ground and basement. And you have plenty of area here, plenty of you can get your movables shifted, your furniture shifted easily. Plus, here's your lift and a really nice wall work, wooden wall work done up here in the lift lobby area. And here's the entrance that you get with a huge door, and there's a lot of wooden work being done here in this apartment, so you'll love it in the living area, in the bedrooms, all throughout. Like, this is, you enter right into the family lounge area. As you can see, it's quite big. It's pretty spacious, plus there's a balcony also on the side. That is the right hand side property of the property, and over this side is the front of the property. I'll show it to you in a bit. This is a really nice wooden false ceiling work done up here, as you can see in the foyer area. And just next to it, we are right now in the living and the dining area of this property. So it's up to you, actually. You want to make this as a fully living area and that family lounge area as your dining area, that can be done. There's air conditioners installed over there also. There's a couple of VRVs over here also. You have space here for your chandelier to hang, plus a really nice chrome mirror ceiling work done here. There's space on this side for a glass cabinet or anything that you want to get fixed for your decoratives and things like that, or you can get a nice table set up here. This is the wooden work I was talking about, really nicely done wall right here. And I really like the ceiling work also that the builder has done. And again, a VRV this side, and both the ends actually you get a VRV, so it'll be a really nice space to walk around. Also, you have space here for your couches and everything. You can have your dining area set up here. That's actually subjective to your choice and whoever is staying here. This is the front side balcony. I'll show it to you. There's a couple of rooms here at the front, and there's a powder room also that I'll be showing you. Here's the front side balcony of the property. A huge door, sliding door you get here, plus a mosquito net will also be getting installed here soon. Really nice ceiling work done up here. I really like the grey color. You'll see the outer facade of this property is really beautiful. Again, with a bit of wooden work done and black color theme used. So you have this balcony all around till this side. You have pretty much a good amount of space here also, plus your washing area also you're getting here. Really nice view outside, beautiful tree you get to see. And this balcony is also connected to the first bedroom that is on the front side. This was the entrance from the living area. Let's see the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom that you get facing the front of this property. Again, really nice false ceiling work. You have a VRV air conditioner fit into the wooden false ceiling right up here. And we have wooden wardrobes given here by the builder. So you have 3 of these wardrobes. Really nice, elegant finishing done by the builder. Really nice finishing done up here on the walls as well. And here's the attached washroom of this first bedroom. A really nice huge mirror you get here. Here's your shower cubicle. It's all based on a grey color theme, grey and golden, as I can see. And we have a glass vanity area here as well, right below the wash basin area. And we have a closet inside the washroom. You have 2 wardrobes here and 3 wardrobes outside in the bedroom. And here's the WC. I really like the fan, it's a little unique, the shape of it. So this was the first bedroom, really nice flooring done up here. You can see the pattern used here on the marble, and just on this part basically where you can see the wooden fall ceiling work. And this is the second bedroom. Let me show you the second bedroom. You get wooden flooring done up here. This is one of the smallest room out of the lot, out of the 4 bedrooms, but it is quite spacious as well. At the same time, you get a VRV air conditioner here. We have wardrobes right here with white finishing on top, and it also opens up to a balcony on the right hand side of the property. This is a really nice attached washroom you get in this, a really huge rectangular mirror and a huge wash basin, plus the area for your utilities and the utility area down below. You get a couple of drawers and many more spaces right here, and a pretty big shower area that you get in here with a seating area right behind this gate. And we have a huge window for ventilation here also. Here's the powder room. You get a really nice powder room here. The wash basin and the mirror is yet to be installed. Really nice black and white flooring work has been done here. This was the entrance right behind you, and right here we are in the family lounge area again. Again, wooden fall ceiling work done here as you saw in the starting of the video. And over here is the right side balcony that I was showing you earlier. This is also connected to the second bedroom. So this is the foyer area of this floor. Really nice elegant colors used here, making it look really spacious. It actually is really spacious, a good amount of ventilation also, and I really like it. You don't actually have to keep any stuff here, so there's good amount of space to walk all around. And here's the huge entrance to the kitchen. There's actually no partition given here, so you can get sliding glass doors fixed in here. It's actually up to you, because as you can see, there's 2 bedrooms right at the back, and the main entrance was over that side just behind you. So people usually prefer the kitchen to be a little at the back side and not right at the entrance. So this was really kept in mind while making the layout of this property. So here's the kitchen, really nicely done up, good white color theme used in here. All around you can see the granite, it's all white. All the cabinets used, they're all in white color. Here's the space for the refrigerator for you, and you get an air conditioner here as well, a split air conditioner. And a really nice colored green color tiling have been used all throughout. It'll be easier to clean as well. And we have your microwave and the oven right here. We have storage right on top of it also, and we have a huge glass storage right here. You get an stove right in between with a chimney hanging right above. There's plenty of storage all throughout. On the walls, the glasses are yet to be installed on these shelves. So the storage is above also. There's drawers right below. Here's your sink that you can use blood, because there's a separate washing area right behind over this side. So here's the separate washing area that you have. You can get your dishwasher installed over this side. There's space for your dishwasher over here, and again plenty of storage all around. Plus it's also connected to a balcony over here, and you get a washing area here also. A really nice, elegant, color themed kitchen. This is the puja room that you get, and there's actually some stuff inside, so we can't show it to you right now. And this is the first master bedroom at the back side. Again, similar kind of fall ceiling that you saw in the living area. Plenty of space. You get a VRV air conditioner here. You get plenty of wardrobes here on this wall. So there's 4 wardrobes that you get. This is actually locked. And you have 2 glass wardrobes right in the center and 2 white colored wardrobes on the sides. Really nice wall work done up here right on the where your bed will be coming at the back side of the bed. Here's the backside balcony. A really huge balcony that you get on the back side. You have your washing area also at one end. You have your water heaters here, and there's a safety grill also installed by the builder. Plus you'll be getting a planted wall right here that the builder is going to make. So it's going to be looking really beautiful after the work is done. This is the attached washroom of the first master bedroom that we are seeing, and here you get your wash basin area, plenty of space to keep your utilities right here. A huge round mirror that you get here. The lights will be getting installed here on the sides, and here's the vanity space that you get. Plenty of space down below, and here's the shower cubicle. So there's plenty of space in the shower area also with the rain head, and the WC is right here. And right behind the gate you get a jacuzzi as well, and a huge window for ventilation. Let's see the other master bedroom. So this is the second master bedroom. Really nice fall ceiling again. You get a VRV air conditioner and a really nice wall work done up here with a different kind of a pattern. And we get a balcony right here in this bedroom also. And it's not really congested. If we have seen the backside balcony also, there's a really wide service lane going right behind the property. So there's really good ventilation also. Let me show you the attached washroom of this bedroom. So right as you enter, we have the wardrobes right here. So this is in a different color theme. This is more of a grey color have been used in this washroom. So we get a corner wardrobe here as well. Plenty of space. I can actually fit in myself in there. And here's a glass wardrobe also. So this is the washroom that you get. Plenty of space right here. We have a really unique kind of a mirror setup done here by the builder with 3 mirrors getting installed and giving it a unique pattern. Plenty of space in the vanity area and on the shelf. Not actually a shelf, the slab of the wash basin. Here's the WC and here's the shower cubicle that you get in this second master bedroom. And here you have a huge window again for ventilation that opens up to the backside balcony that we showed you in the first master bedroom. So I hope you guys like this property. A different kind of a layout we got to see in a 500 square yard today. And because this is something really different, we got to see couple of rooms in the front, couple of rooms in the back. And I hope you like this property. We are coming up with more properties for you similar to this and even better than this most probably. And we have different sizes available not only in this location, in other locations also. This is the first video I think we have done in Southex, part 2 that you'll be seeing on our YouTube channel. And it's really unique. There are more properties coming up in this location that we'll be covering soon. So if you have query in Southex part 2, you can definitely give us a call. Our number is in the description and we'll be really happy to help you. Thank you so much.